Before we turn, I think welcome to Sahid Hotel. How may I help you?
I want to billing check-in.
May I show you luggage?
Yeah, sure.
What to do your food?
My trip in Indonesia is being very good for these 2 weeks. So yeah, especially for the people in Indonesia, they are so good for me, for foreigner like me.
Do you like to be here?
Yeah, of course. As I said before, in Indonesia, the people is very good to me, especially for foreigner, and they are giving so many souvenir and goodies for me. So yeah, I like to be here.
Yes. Please, how are you receptionist?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Morning, sir.
How are you? I want to be here.